All right, I am reviewing the Intralight Infinity 500 milliliter bag, and it's about the size of your hand. It is for the Intralight Infinity food pump. Current ones have these new ENFit connectors. So it has this right here, and that goes into this sort of port. And also these are the same ports that use these ENFit syringes. So if you're buying these 500 milliliter bags, they're for the Infinity Light. Do notice that they are smaller than their bigger size, the 1200 ml Infinity bags. They hold much more food. So the smaller ones, they do exactly what they're supposed to do, and you need these kind of connectors because they do not come with that white cone. It's just this purple ENFit connector. Hope that helps you out. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.